With regard sa master teacher, meron naman pong master teacher na sobra naman pong luwag. Mali rin po yun. As master teacher, we should be a model to the teachers that we handle. So, hindi rin naman pwede na, sige, okay na yan, hindi na kita obserbahan. Kailangan pa rin po talaga natin obserbahan. It's part of our job, it's part of our duty. Bigyan ng technical assistance, tulungan paano pa mas magiging magandang guro, mabuting guro, epektibong guro ang ating mga kasamang guro sa paaralan. At bilang master teachers, marami pong mga mata ang nakatingin sa atin, and we should be the model and the example. Paano po kung tayo naman po ang kinakakitaan ng wala sa classroom at lumalabas at hindi bumabalik, iniiwan yung mga bata natin. So, hindi po tayo nagiging epektibong coach or mentor sa ating mga nasasakupan. So, lahat po ng ito ay bato-bato sa langit, tamaan ay huwag magalit, and we will change for a better. We should transform. There should be a change in attitude. Yung pagtanggap po is very important. So, hindi ko sinasabing perfect ako. Marami rin po akong kakulangan, pero pinag-uusapan lang po natin sa ating reels. God bless. And for more videos about special education program and teacher's life, student's life, and everything about the school, kindly subscribe to Jewels of Gina, and see you again for the next videos. Bye! Smile and peace!